This dog is made of bone and flesh. When we're out walking, you'd never guess. It takes a gal with arms of steel. My God, where is the steering wheel? The neighbors think I'm incomplete. My hands are 10 yards from my feet. I'm holding out and hanging tough. My knuckles sure have had enough. I'm a dog walker and my feet don't touch the ground. I'm a frog marcher, but I'm being dragged around. This hound will be the end of me. My legs are wrapped around a tree. I'm a dog walker, pity me. Looks like this dog needs training fast. I've pulled a muscle in my, and rain or shine, we boldly go through the hedge and fly the road. Something's got a hold of me. It's a Labrador with energy. 4 legs sure are better than 2. Yeah, that really is the truth.
You need to be in the water.
Yeah, we got one at long last. You got lucky.
You've rescued my heart and soul. You've wiped my tears and held me close. You've made me whole. When I was lost, you found a way to bring me home. Now I know there's people in the world that care. Because you're here, you've rescued my heart and soul. You've been here for the moments when I couldn't stand. When I was down, you reached for me, you gave your hand. And now I'm found, you've rescued my heart and soul. You've laid down your life for me. I see it in your eyes, the way you wait for me. You hug me close and make me feel that I am free. Oh, you've laid down your life for me. You trusted the wrong in me. You worked so hard on things that I could never see. You made me see how much you really fought for me. Hey, hey, now look at me. You've rescued my heart and soul. You've wiped my tears and held me close. You've made me whole. When I was lost, you found a way to bring me home. Oh, you saved my soul. You've rescued my heart and soul. You've wiped my tears and held me close. You've made me whole. When I was lost, you found a way to bring me home. I was just a lonely scrap of skin and bone. You've rescued my heart and soul. You rescued my